Not today. I can't do this anymore. Lisa, Leo, get up now.
Huh? What?
Get dressed. Don't be late.
Mom, are you mad?
Yes, Leo. Please hurry.
I can't find my gym shorts! Where's my white shirt? Mom usually fixes this. Did we lose it? Leo, what do I wear? Just grab something. But Mom said uniform. I'm trying. Mom, where's breakfast?
You can make it.
But we don't know how.
You'll figure it out.
Okay, Mom. Where are the plates?
In that cupboard.
I'm scared to touch it. Okay, let's make the toast. It's very easy.
It's burning.
Turn it off! Which button?
Unplug it.
Mom, are you okay?
I'm okay.
We are sorry, Mom.
Clean up. You can do this. I am not a robot. I can't carry everything alone. I just need you to try.
Is Mom sick? I don't know. She's different. Should we tell Dad? After school? Mom didn't even smile. Yeah, that scared me. What if we did something wrong?
Maybe we never help. Let it stay messy for a while. Maybe they'll finally notice.
Wait, don't throw shoes. Why? Just don't. Okay, I am sorry. It's a bit messy. Mom usually fixes it. Yeah, maybe that's the problem. Mom, do you want help?
If you want to,
What should I do?
start with your backpacks. Put them away.
Okay. Like this? Yes, perfect. It's not that hard. No, it's not.
Everything okay?
Yeah, we're just helping more. Leo, wake up. Mom didn't call us. Huh? Oh. What? Are we late? Not yet, but we got to move. Okay. Don't forget soap, I know, and brush longer. Not 2 seconds. You sound like Mom. I found my gym shorts. Nice. Put the other stuff back. Yeah, okay. All right. We can make breakfast. But what are we making? Pancakes with cereal and fruit. Is this too much milk? Maybe, but it's fine. Mom likes coffee, right? Yeah, let's try. This one is pretty. Grab a few. You think she'll smile? I hope so. Mom? You wake up? We made breakfast for you. We know it's not perfect. This is for you.
Really? You did this?
Yeah, we tried really hard.
Thank you so much. I love it. I missed you guys.
We're right here. We didn't see how tired you were.
I'm glad you see it now. It is very tasty.
Is this really good?
Chef Lisa, did you make this?
Yes, I made it extra cheesy, just for you.
Yes, I really like this.
Thank you, Mom.
Have a good day.
We will try.
Love you, Mom. Bye.
Bye. Hang your school bag. I'm doing it.
Can we watch TV now?
No, after we pick up.
Fair. We'll do it fast.
Whoa, it looks really nice.
Yeah, this feels better. Like calmer.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
Mom, what's for dinner?
Spicy chicken and vegetables, salad.
Oh, great. Mom, can I help?
Yeah, wash the tomatoes.
Okay. Is it clean enough?
It looks nice.
How do I cut it?
Like this, slow and safe.
Very, very, very so slow. Mom, why didn't you tell us you needed help?
I thought you'd notice.
I didn't.
I know. That's why I changed things.
We are sorry, Mom. We always just run to the TV. We are sorry. We will be better.
I know, sweethearts.
Okay.
The house feels different.
We're helping Mom. I wash tomatoes.
That's awesome. I think I've been on autopilot. I'm sorry, babe. I should have helped more.
Thank you, but I just want us to be a team.
I'll take these in. All right, team. Let's get these clean.
I'll wash, Dad.
Careful with the water.
My turn to dry.
What a great team.
This feels nice.
Yeah, like we earned it.
Teamwork snack time.
I like that idea. I've got coffee.
I'll pack snacks. I put my shoes away.
How do you two feel today?
Better.
Less stressed.
Me too.
Bye.
Bye, Mom.
School bag on the hook.
Nice.
Hey, thank you.
We pleasure, Dad.
I don't need perfect. I just need us together.
We get it now.
We've got you, Mom. All of us. Thank you all.